Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number X355X. Only 19,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Butte Red in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Not only low miles, but very clean. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Read gauges. Again, only 19,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for radio as well as climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest, along with a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a midsize sedan. EPA average of 25 miles per gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.